For weeks, I have been preaching to my real estate partners that FHA loans are back. With the recent reduction in FHA's mortgage insurance premium and the fact that FHA interest rates are typically much lower than conventional interest rates, sometimes 1% or more, FHA loans have become a very viable and very attractive option for many buyers. Well, with the new influx of FHA loans that we're seeing, that begets the question from many real estate professionals: what about the FHA appraisal? Well, FHA and conventional appraisals are not that different. Both are going to use the same metrics and same criteria to determine value. In fact, frequently an FHA appraiser will have an easier time establishing value than a conventional appraiser will. Now, a couple different things to think about. One, if you're working with a bank, credit union, a non-local lender, and have an FHA appraisal, that's when you have to kind of worry about, are they going to be listing different items and requiring secondary visits, etc. Typically, the big banks, credit unions, non-local lenders are going to use an appraisal pool, appraisal management company, and they're going to pay the appraisers less because the management company is taking a fee. Well, the FHA appraiser in that case is typically going to be the one that's going to be more apt to mark things like a missing railing so that they can charge extra to visit the property again. With FHA appraisals, utilities have to be on, same with conventional appraisals. With FHA appraisals, the appraiser is going to look for safety issues, making sure that outlets have covers, there isn't any exposed wiring, that sort of thing. Same with a conventional appraisal. Couple differences: peeling paint on a pre-1978 home, that is typically going to be written up by an FHA appraisal, where a conventional appraiser may not note that. Both FHA and conventional appraisers are going to look at the visual health, structural integrity, and livability of a home. That's nothing different, one appraisal to the next. FHA appraisals are not anything to be afraid of if you're a real estate professional, a homeowner selling their home, or a buyer who's thinking of getting an FHA loan.